One of the safety features of our Boeing 737 coming out is a safety information card, bag, or literature pocket in front of you. Step fasten your seatbelt, slide the lattice into the buckle. Pull the loose straps tighter to release the top of the buckle. Secure your seatbelt by unlocking your arms from where you sit your seat. There are 6 emergency exits in this aircraft, 4 in exit doors, 2 overboard doors. Signs overhead and lights on the floor will lead to exit. If an evacuation is necessary, follow signs on the left and leave everything. In the event of a water evacuation, use the life vest under your seat. Remove the vest only to do so. Of a water evacuation, use a life vest under your seat. Remove the vest only if told to do so. Pull the red tab to open the container and remove the pouch. Remove the vest from the pouch as shown in the safety information card. Place the vest over your head, wrap the strap around your waist, buckle it to the front, and pull tighten. Once outside, pull down on the red tab to inflate your vest. And manually inflate close to the red tube at your shoulder. Your vest is alive that automatically turns out in the water. Please refer to the safety information card for the use of life vest and infant. Flight attendants will distribute additional vest if needed. We will be coming by to check that your seatbelts are fastened, your seat backs and tray tables are in the full upright and wanted position, and are doing items completely under the seat in front of you or in an overhead bin, leaving the area around your feet completely clear. Smoking is not allowed on board, including the lavatory. The use and charging of electronic cigarettes is prohibited. But our law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying any smoke detector in an aircraft lavatory. It is also prohibited to consume any alcohol you brought with you on this flight. Federal aviation regulations require passenger compliance with that and passenger information signs, closed-up placards, and crew member instructions, including information on seatbelts and smoking.
Okay. Yes, sir. Sure. Thanks. Even if I stick it in just a little more? Or, if not, it's fine.
Yeah, just put it at the top.
Okay. Sure.
Yours will be the only one there.
Okay.
And then if you need it, and during the flight, you can bring it back in.
Thanks.
Take off from there.
Sure. Appreciate it. Yes, sir.
If needed, for oxygen masks, withdraw from a compartment overhead. To activate the flow of oxygen, pull down on the mask until the plastic tubing is fully extended. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Secure the mask with the elastic strap. Although oxygen will be flowing, the bag may not fully inflate. Continue wearing your mask until otherwise notified by your crew members. If you're traveling with any children or anyone needing special assistance, please put your mask on first. Please remove the face covering before donning an oxygen mask. We are here for your comfort and safety. Please report any unwelcome behavior to a flight attendant. We thank you for your attention. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy your 2-hour and 2-minute flight to Orlando. Thank you for choosing Southwest.